What the heck? Get me my flip-flops out here. Let's see. What is happening right now? Oh man. Hello everyone, you're watching GTC. I'm on a special episode of Well Me. And so here we are in the middle of nowhere. Okay, it's not really the middle of nowhere, almost off the highway of where I live. Not too bad, it's a comfortable spot, nice evening. Yeah, we got a situation here. This is fun. I kept hearing my exhaust get louder and louder and louder, rattle. I'm like driving, I'm about to go on the highway. I was like, something doesn't sound right. I was like, why is it getting louder? Then I pulled into this development for a business park, and I heard like, I was like, oh, you gotta be kidding me. And yeah, you're exactly thinking right. Ta-da! Oh boy. But luckily, got prepared for the Civic. I took everything out that we might need, and we might need everything. So I'm gonna crawl under there, see what we could do. But I can't believe this, man. I'm trying to drive to Pittsburgh tomorrow, and I swapped out my Civic for this, and man, she's let me down so far. But let's see if she doesn't let me down now. All right, we gotta get cracking here. Okay, got a plan. We got a few ideas. Okay, remove pretty much the whole exhaust system and drive. All right, stay with me here. Let me show you what I'm thinking. Okay, mufflers on each side. We have just the hangers to get out. So, of course, that's not easy. I don't have any, like, WD-40. But then all the way down there, we have a hanger, and then the pipe's hanging out. But if we're able to break off right there, take the pipe out, and then maybe we could just keep this whole thing still intact. But up front, we're going to have to do some real maneuvering. I think maybe we might be able to bust off some bolts. It's gonna be tough, but I think we could do it. So I'm gonna go for that. So yeah, we got a couple different plans here. Remove the whole pretty much exhaust system from the front back, or kind of take pieces out of it. So maybe we'll just try some pieces first and then kind of go from there. All right, so here's what we got. Oh wow, yeah, that's snappy. I think we can actually take that off. Okay, I'll take my monkey wrench, whack it, and kind of rip into it. See what we get. This could be interesting. Oh wow! Yes! Yes! Got it! Woo! Just here taking pipe stuff. That's in the middle of the... Yeah. Cool. This is so weird. One of the weirdest things I've done with the car. Cool, alright. Halfway there. We might not have to move the mufflers then. Cool, they're not doing anything, but yeah. Before I go too crazy here with busting this thing up here, I'm gonna try to get these bolts out, and then we remove pieces by piece. But they're a little indistinguishable almost at this point. But we gotta try. Man, like living in Pittsburgh, man, that busted up my exhaust system. This is terrible. It's not like this when I was back home, man. Oh gosh, obviously not 14. Who knows that either? No. Yeah, we might just have to like really finagle this and get it off with just a lot of force at this point. Okay, well, here we go. Keep going at this. We can't break this apart. It's a genius idea. We're packing up and we're going over to the hotel right over there, Fairfield, something like that. I had an idea. I have my electric cutter wheel for metal. I have an extension cord. Plug it in. Come on, let's get going. It's a great idea. So I called them. I was like, hey, I got the situation, and I'm a bimbo, and I'm coming over right now if I can. And they said, yeah, it shouldn't be a problem. Of course, they sounded a little weirded out because this isn't exactly like a normal, typical day for them. No, it's not exactly a normal, typical day for me either. So let's pack it up and then get out of here. I don't think we're all ready for this one. This is gonna be a nasty couple feet drive because we got to go over to right over there, that hotel. Jeez. I was expecting worse, but all right, here we go. here. I'm coming. Yeah, what's up? Yeah. Oh, yes. All right. We're in business. Ugly pipe number 1. I'm gonna leave you over here. Get the goods, man. Get the goods. Can't believe I am doing a parking lot repair like this. This is amazing. All my training has led to this very moment. Trip the breaker. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get my ear pods, put those in, ear protection, be good on that. So okay, we gotta hook this thing up. Let's get rolling. So still ugly as ever. It's been fun, J-Pipe. This is the final frontier. There's some twists. Oh, yes. Ta-da! Woo! Well, through all that, we're finally done. Look at my race pipe, though. This used to be beautiful. Man, this is horrible, but wow. Let's look at the front here. That's some thick pipe. I wonder what's having so much problems, but we did it. Man, went through 2 discs. Like a champ. All right, let's clean up. Get out of here. Man, what a car week indeed. I need like GoFundMe or something, huh? And here we are for the aftermath. President, oh crap. Uh-oh. Oh my gosh. Holy crap. Okay, phew, that was just complete stupidity. My poor car. So, right there, I had the freaking, the exhaust pipe leaning into it, and it brought the car down, and it just sat on the fender. Luckily, no major damage. We'll take that. Okay, we gotta get out of here. Okay, aftermath. We got both our pipes that completely rusted and fell out. Ridiculous. Tools. My extension cord looking good, all cleaned up, and check it out. There's a storm coming, and thank goodness we just finished. I feel that wind. You could hear it probably. I feel the wind coming. It's getting colder, and man, we finished just in time. We're packed up, we're ready to go. Let's put these things away. So this isn't just like kind of stupid. This is stupid because for one thing, we have just a big hole now shooting out of the bottom of the exhaust from my engine, and it sounds like this. Wow, that's bass. Woo! But you get sound like this. Alright, so we have that sound coming out, but now we have like fake mufflers. This is so lame. I'm ready to go home. Alright, let's see how it sounds, how we get out of here. Sounds ridiculous, that's what it sounds like. Well, it sounds like a car with no mufflers, or yeah, anything really. Wow. Okay, let's hit the highway nice and safe, and I'm gonna give these guys a call. Oh, but here, this is who they are. This hotel is amazing. Go check them out, even if it's not around by me, just in general. Thank you to Fairfield. First gear. Not loud at all. Acceleration feels pretty good. All right, we're at highway speeds. And well, this is a big fat drone.
And we made it back home in the loudest way possible, probably, but safely. And speaking of safety, do you guys understand the gravity of the situation and how bad it could have been? It could have been catastrophic. Now let me break this down for you. If it went on the highway and just forget about it and ignore it, then we could have had some issues where the pipe was, it broke in the middle, the welds went bad, they got rusted out. So, it went like this. Now, here's the front of the car. You have the pipe going like this. Okay, that'll grind on the ground a little bit. But then the back one that was pulling, it's going this way against the grain. That could have just went like that. Flipped under, bent it around, and then damaged my car. But it could have also broken off, flipped off, and then went into somebody else's car. Now, it could have went straight through the grill into the radiator, or even worse, it could have flipped up and went through a windshield. And that's terrible to think about. So I'm really happy that me and my thinking and feeling of things and just hearing the sounds that my cars make, I'm really glad I was in tune with that, because I kept hearing it get worse and worse, couple seconds by seconds, and it wasn't just over like days and weeks. It was more about, it got kind of worse, but on that day, as I was only driving just a few miles on just normal like roads and not highways, it just got really worse. And then the moment I pulled off there, and then it broke. So thank goodness for that. We're able to remedy it like that. But what I'm curious now is, what do we do now about the exhaust system? Do we go ahead and just pretty much straight pipe and mend where I cut? And then we just put in maybe like, instead of a 2/4, we do a 2.5 inch pipe, kind of weld that in there and do a little modding on that. Or do we go ahead and go full blanche and chop out the whole exhaust system and put a brand new one in? Let me know your thoughts down below. Love to hear about it. And have you ever had experience like this? And what did you do? Did you have tools to mend this on the side of the road like I did? Or did you have to call a tow truck? Or did you just have the piece fly off and that was it? Let me know. Love to hear about it and talk about it. But also, guys, with that, if you like this crazy video, make sure you hit a thumbs up right there. And make sure you subscribe down below for more videos quite like this. Not quite like this, because I really don't want more exhaust problems that pop up like this. But still, if you want videos that are similar like this and all my other cars, go ahead and subscribe down below. And I want to thank each and every one of you for making me over 700 subscribers. Sure, that's not a ton, but it's a ton to me, and I appreciate every single one of you and showing your support for me. We're on our way to 800, and I couldn't have done this without you, so thank you very much. But guys, until next time, this is GT Sam. I'm going to catch you next time.